This is a Salty Captain 4-wheel drive cleaning bundle. And it's got everything you need to clean your filthy trailer or your filthy SUV. Let's check it out. See if it can keep up with the claims. First off, let's see what's in this bad boy. 5-pack of microfiber towels, microfiber hand mitt and drying towel, 2 lids for 2 buckets. Thankfully, it comes with 2 dirt traps for those buckets too, so you won't scratch up all your paint if you got a new vehicle. And the actual products. And for mine, I chose to use a musket because I think a lot of people are not gonna have a pressure washer. So this attaches to your hose, which I really wanna test out because I have a pressure washer. But man, that thing takes forever to set up and to put away, and it is getting old and leaks everywhere. So hopefully the musket will make it so I can just use a hose to quickly clean my vehicles. Also comes with a hard bristle brush and a soft bristle brush to get all that dirt off. And then it comes with 6 solutions. So the first one is the Drip Dry, which is a post-wash hydro coat. So I think it's supposed to act like ceramic coating to make water bead off. Then we got a degreaser or grease attack. That's gonna be very useful on the suspension because I've got some greasy stuff that needs to be wiped down so it stops collecting dirt. An interior cleaner, which I will be happy to use because the inside of this trailer smells like bratwurst because the kitchen slides inside. And then the most important part, the 4-wheel drive and RV wash. I really hope this works because this thing is caked with dirt and mud, and I want it to be pristine. I'm hoping this too will clean it good enough that I can get some of the paint to restore, put like a ceramic coating on to make it actually look new instead of ancient. A tire shine, so we'll see if this can make the back tire look new. And finally, a glass cleaner. I only have 1 piece of glass in the trailer, so this will probably be really useful for the vehicles rather than my tread. And 2 buckets. I presume one is for the clean water and one's for the dirty water. At least that's how I'm gonna use it. So let's get cleaning on this trailer. So fill up the measuring cup with about 30 mLs, because I'm just gonna do one side right this second, of the 4-wheel drive wash. Let's see if you can get all this dirt off. It's nice that it has a marking on the side for nothing, regular spray, and then foam wash. So we'll set it to foam wash and see how it does. I really like that the musket is quick release, so you can switch the nozzles. That's it. This thing works so good. Soaked up like all the water in the bucket, which with my other ones I've never even had. Let's give it a rinse and see if that 4-wheel drive wash did anything by itself. I don't see how it works for a lazy guy. So the kit came with 5 microfiber drying towels, which is freaking awesome. But it also came with this absolutely enormous drying towel. So I'm gonna try this just on this one side and see if you can soak everything up for me. Yeah, so having a big drying towel makes this a million times easier. This thing is freaking nice. Drying towel versus no drying towel. That was like 10 seconds. Ultra lazy wash, this thing looks so much better. It's definitely the cleanest this trailer has ever been. This is the side I cleaned. This is the side I left dirty, but even got those fading marks off with just that quick wash, which is amazing. So call me impressed. All right, so we're gonna use this tire shine applicator, which is silicone based, which means it should repel water. Should make it shine like it's brand new. I'm actually gonna get in here with the scrub brush and get some more of the dirt out so I can get the entire sidewall, because these are mud tires and they have some thick grooves. I'm gonna use some of the microfiber towels that it came with. And dude, everything this comes with is so sneaky nice. Like, I mean, for like over $100 it should be, but I was not expecting this good of quality out of this entire kit. Give it a quick rinse, quick scrub with the hard bristles. Agitate all that dirt off real quick. I've never been one to use tire shine because I think usually it's tacky, and all the tire shine I've used is super greasy, and it just, man, if you ever try to take off your tire afterward, it just feels awful. The dirt and grime just sticks to it like crazy. I'm hoping this will be some better product. So switching between the soap and the water actually works super well. There's like no suds in here. And then the second you switch it, suds. This is great. No suds. Yeah, this is a lot more impressive than I thought it was gonna be. I'm also super lazy, so this makes it incredibly easy. I don't have to hook up a pressure washer. It just does its thing. It's been like 10 minutes and this thing is already dry. So we're gonna use this to dry it off before we add that shine. So this thing is already looking a million times better. So I'm gonna try this glass cleaner. This is plastic, so I don't even know if this is gonna work well, but we're gonna try. See if it works. It says it should clean glass with no problem. All right, so the outside's spotless. Let's take it another level and clean the inside and see if we can actually make this plastic clear. Yeah, I'm thinking that's clean. Holy cow. I mean, let me show you the difference. It's purple and reflective. This thing is like crystal clear. You can see, or hopefully you can see. Having a hard time focusing. There you go. So it's like crystal clear. Sees inside. Very nice. We just appreciate a company that makes something right. Good products, decent price, and everything just works. My pressure washer leaks like crazy. Look at this. This thing has been on for like an hour and the only place it leaks is where I have my crappy hose attached. Everything else works perfect. For a piece of plastic, this thing is way easier to set up and way easier to use than a pressure washer. I'll probably be using this from now on and get rid of that pressure washer because this won't ruin any of my seals. And it's nice enough. I can use it to clean everything. Trailers, dirt bikes, vehicles. Let's go. Just look at this. This is the clean side. Just shines like crazy. All right, let's. Okay, yeah, that is a million times better than the cheap wheel wax I've used before. I'm still just so impressed that the front could get rid of those swirl marks within like 3 seconds. The difference is wild. So this is the not so clean side still. Let's compare. Dirty clean. I've got one quick final test for this car wash and wheel shine. This tire's been back on here for 3 years and it's just destroyed. Let's see if these products can restore this tire to something like new, because this is gonna sit here forever. And after. Yeah, that's nice. But I was genuinely impressed with how well this stuff did. Would I recommend these products? 100% yes, especially if you have absolutely nothing to wash your vehicles. It is a little pricey, coming in over $100, but it really does have everything you need to clean your truck, off-road vehicle, trailer, RV, and it worked phenomenally. I was so impressed with the 4-wheel drive cleaner and the tire shine. One of the things I really like about it is it doesn't really have a scent to it. The only thing this bucket doesn't come with is a hose and water, and maybe some energy. If you have that at your house or apartment, this thing is perfect. And I love that everything fits inside of the bucket. One of the things I like is that all the products that you might have questions about come with QR codes on the bottle that link you straight to the video if you don't know what you're doing. These QR codes came in clutch because I wasn't really sure how they wanted me to apply the product or in what quantities. They do have some instructions on the bottle, but it's so nice to be able just to click a 45-second video, tells you exactly how to use it. Even the little things it comes with are really nice. Like these microfiber towels are so much better than the cheap packs you get at Walmart or Home Depot. But these things feel like they'll last forever. And that big drying towel is freaking awesome. So if you have questions, send them down in the comments below. If you want to go ahead and buy this kit, there's a link down in the description. And before you go ahead and check out this video where I show you 3 of the best water containers for your camping and storage needs. Thanks for watching. Yep, I think that's good enough.